What's up, guys? We're back with another box opening. Got this in the mail. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out. So we're just gonna cut it open real quick. Hold on. Alright, here it is. Open. It's called V-Power.
V-Power.
Yeah. And here it is.
Where?
Right here.
Whoa, that is nice.
Hold it up.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. My little brother's recording. Oh, yeah. It feels really nice.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, it's really, really stiff, though. It looks really nice, though, doesn't it?
Right now, you're not telling me.
It's really stiff, though. We might have to loosen it. Yep. There it is.
And you guys can't know Joe will have a really sharp knife.
Yeah, whatever. You didn't even show them half of it, Hayden.
I did.
Alright. So, yeah, that's the knife. And we'll see you guys in the next video.